Just installed the new Dyno Lock actuator that they made for me as a replacement, since this part with the plastic guide block wasn't put right in the other unit. For comparison, here's the other one. You can see that the plastic block is canted over the one direction. This one is, the correct way is cocked to the right so that that pin comes out the right way. This one is cocked all the way to the left, so it was basically just running right into the tailgate handle pin. Ran into a new problem though. So when the lock actuates, that's great that the pin comes up correctly. However, due to the clearance here, where the tailgate, this whole unit rotates this way, basically catches onto the mounting plate here. I'll try and show you. I'm filming one-handed. So basically my tailgate would get stuck if I left it this way. So right now it's locked. If actually I pull hard enough, it just opens right past it, and then you can see it gets stuck because the pin that's out doesn't let it come back. So if I got the tailgate open right now, obviously, so I can just kind of pull that up and reset the tailgate back. But if everything was bolted up, there's no fucking way I'd be able to fix that. So I've got it tight as I can. This is essentially pressed as far this way against this plastic camera housing as I can get it. And of course, it's got the supplied bolt and spacer. But that's about it. I mean, I can actuate it by hand back, and actually even when it's not locked, you can see that just runs right into the mounting plate there, which is no good at all. See, now it's stuck. The pin just wiggles because this whole thing is stuck here. So not usable. I don't think I'll be installing this one.